Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrogen Academy, Burhanpur. In this video, I will explain you some more tools of Adobe Photoshop which are used for editing. Blur tool. The blur tool makes an image blurry or you can say softened. It works by reducing the contrast between the pixel and can be used to smoothen the jagged edges. Sharpen tool. The sharpen tool is used to increase the contrast and clarity of the blur images with soft edges. Smudge tool. This tool gives an effect of spreading the paint across the image, as if you have dragged your finger through wet paint. This tool picks up the color from where the strokes begin and pushes it in the direction you drag your mouse. Now I will explain you how you can use blur, sharpen and smudge tool. Step 1. Select the blur tool or sharpen tool or smudge tool from the tool panel. Step 2. Set the brush size and blending mode for the tool in the options bar. Step 3. Drag the mouse pointer over the portion of the image which you want to blur, sharpen or smudge. Now you can see one example of this. This is blur image and this is clear image. Dodge tool. The dodge tool is used to lighten the pixel in an image. Dark portion of an image may be made lightened to improve the appearance. Burn tool. The burn tool works opposite to the dodge tool. It darkens the pixels. Sponge tool. This tool changes the color saturation of an area or you can say image. Saturate option is used to intensify the color saturation, whereas the desaturate option is used for dilute the color saturation. Now you can see one example in which we have used dodge tool, burn tool and sponge tool together. You can see image after using dodge tool, after using burn tool, and this image after using sponge tool. Type tool. The type tool are used for inserting text in Photoshop. You can format the text in any ways by changing its font family like size, style, color, alignment, horizontal or vertical orientation, indentation, line spacing and much more. You can also wrap the shape of the text in a number of interesting ways. Now I will explain you how you can use type tool in Photoshop. Step 1. Open the image. Step 2. Select the horizontal type tool or the vertical type tool. Step 3. Set the appropriate options such as font family, size, style, alignment and text color for the type tool in the options bar. Step 4. Click to set the insertion point anywhere on the image. Step 5. Enter the desired text. Step 6. Accept changes to the text by clicking the commit button or cancel the operation by pressing the cancel button. Now you can see one example in which we have used type tool. In this image we have written here best wishes and here God bless you. Wrapping text. The steps to be followed for wrapping the text are: Step 1. Place the cursor anywhere in already written text. Step 2. Select the type tool. Step 3. Click the Create Wrap Text button in the options bar. This displays Wrap Text dialog box. Step 4. Choose a wrap style from Style drop-down list. Step 5. Select the orientation of wrap style, horizontal or vertical. Step 6. If desired, specify values for additional options given in Wrap Text dialog box. Step 7. Click OK button to apply the wrap style. Now you can see one example of wrapping the text. In this image, we have wrapped best wishes in this way. So dear students, I hope you understood tools of Photoshop which are used for editing. In next video, I will explain you remaining tools of Photoshop which are used for editing. Thank you and have a nice day.